things no one has told you about the GO&GO Automatic Car Washes. Surely you have seen somewhere the image of car being moving, then the machine automatically spray water, spray foam, rotate the brush, and dry in just a few minutes. And maybe you have also heard the name the GO&GO, one of the automatic car wash brands that's being talked about a lot today. But there is one thing that few people tell the truth. Not all automatic machines are good, and not all garages that invest are successful. This video is to share with you frankly and honestly about the automatic car wash that no one has told you. Do automatic machines really liberate people? The first thing I want to share with you is automation is not to replace people, but improve service. The GO&GO Automatic Car Wash is not a replacement for people, but an upgrade. If in the past, car washing was a job that required a lot of manpower and time, now with GO&GO, that process becomes faster, more uniform, and more professional. The great thing is you can still completely combine machine and people to create a service with deep, clean, safe, and good experience for customers. With automatic car wash machines, the garage is not just a place to clean cars, but become a system of care, reception, and service according to modern standards. GO&GO is suitable for a long-term development model. The special feature of the GO&GO Automatic Car Wash machine is flexibility. The machine has many versions suitable for different garage sizes, from large service center to garage that are gradually changing. Investing in machine is no longer an out-of-reach open, but a long-term strategy. The installation space is optimally designed, offering nearly safe space, making the garage more professional and modern at first sight. And most importantly, customers coming to your garage will feel the difference and sense of trust and peace of mind even before the car is cleaned. Optimize operation, save time, create a better customer experience. GO&GO not only washes cars, but also have you create a smart process. Cars come in and identify, wash quickly, and return on time. Everything is smooth and remotely like a professional service chain. Using the machine also helps reduce pressure on employees, save time during peak hours, and easily serve more cars without having to double the number of workers. More importantly, its car washes by the machine always ensure uniformity throughout, cleaning while still being safe for the paying service. That is the factor that makes customers willing to come back, not just because the car is clean, but because the feel and professionalism. Easy to operate, easy to master, not as complicated as many people think. One of the things that makes many people hesitate when thinking about the machine is, I wonder if it is difficult to operate. The truth is, GO&GO is designed so that anyone can learn and use it. The control interface is friendly, the process is clear, and there is always a technical team to support throughout the operation. Even while breathing maintenance is needed, you will be given specific instructions to proactively check and ensure the machine always operates effectively. Instead of feeling machines are complicated, GO&GO brings the feeling of machines are easy to understand and support the development. Investing in automatic machines, a way to enhance the garage brand. Today, customers not only go to the car wash to clean, but also want to experience convenient and modern service. When you invest in an automatic car wash like GO&GO, it's not just upgrading the equipment, it's upgrading the image and brand. Your garage will become different in the eyes of customers, tidier, more professional, and more reliable. And that's amazing. Will help you attract more customers, retain old customers, and affirm your position in the market. With GO&GO, you're not just buying the machine, you're investing in the future of your business. Automatic car washes are not the temporary trends, they are the part of the journey to modernize the car care industry. And if you have a long-term vision, are looking to create a professional, stable, and different garage, then GO&GO is a step for you to pioneer opening an automatic car wash station in your locality. If you are interested, message GO&GO to experience the actual machine right at the factory.